Welcome to the financial reality. Did you know that when the crypto market is gripped by extreme fear, Bitcoin has historically delivered some of the most staggering buying opportunities? Today, we're dissecting the Fear and Greed Index to uncover what extreme fear has meant for market bottoms in the past, and whether we're staring at one right now. Let's dive into the data and separate fact from emotion. First, let's set the stage. The Fear and Greed Index, developed by Alternative.me, is a sentiment indicator that measures the emotional state of the crypto market on a scale from 0 to 100. A score below 25 signals extreme fear, often reflecting panic selling and oversold conditions, while above 75 indicates extreme greed, suggesting overbought euphoria. As of this recording, the index sits at a chilling 22, squarely in extreme fear territory. Bitcoin is trading around $54,000, down over 20% from its recent high of $69,000 just weeks ago, according to CoinGecko. Market cap for the entire crypto space has shrunk to $1.9 trillion, a sharp drop from $2.5 trillion at its peak this cycle. Trading volume, meanwhile, has spiked to $90 billion in the last 24 hours, a sign of heightened capitulation. But what does history tell us about moments like this? Let's take a deeper look at the data. During the 2018 bear market, the Fear and Greed Index hit extreme fear levels, below 15, multiple times, most notably in December 2018, when Bitcoin bottomed out at $3,200. At that point, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, on the weekly chart was below 30, indicating severely oversold conditions. Fast forward to the 2022 bear market following the FTX collapse, and we see a similar pattern. The index dropped to 9 in November 2022, with Bitcoin touching $15,500. Again, the weekly RSI hovered around 25. On-chain data from Glassnode shows that during both periods, the percentage of Bitcoin addresses in profit fell below 50%, a rare signal of widespread capitulation. Now compare that to today. Bitcoin's weekly RSI is at 38, not quite as oversold as those historic lows, and about 55% of addresses remain in profit. We're close to a bottoming signal, but the data suggests we might not be there just yet. Historically, extreme fear readings below 15, coupled with an RSI under 30, have marked the absolute lows. Another factor to consider is the Bitcoin halving cycle. Post-halving bear markets like 2016 and 2020 often see their deepest corrections 12 to 18 months after the event. With the 2024 halving behind us, we're within that window. The question is, are we at the turning point, or is more pain ahead? So, what are the implications of this data? Extreme fear doesn't guarantee an immediate bottom, but it does signal that the market is nearing oversold territory. Looking at past cycles, buying Bitcoin at extreme fear levels, say when the index was below 20, yielded returns of over 400% in 2019 after the 2018 bottom, and a staggering 300% by 2023 after the 2022 low. That's not to say history will repeat itself exactly, but it does highlight a pattern. Fear often precedes opportunity for those with patience and discipline. However, the macro environment today, rising interest rates, geopolitical uncertainty, adds a layer of complexity not as pronounced in previous cycles. On the flip side, On-chain metrics like the net unrealized profit-loss indicator from Glassnode show that long-term holders are still accumulating, a bullish signal even amidst the panic. The data paints a picture of potential, but timing remains critical. Rushing in too early could mean catching a falling knife, while waiting too long risks missing the rebound. Let's wrap this up with a clear takeaway. The Fear and Greed Index at 22 tells us the market is scared, very scared. Historical patterns from 2018 and 2022 suggest that extreme fear often marks the vicinity of a bottom, especially when paired with oversold RSI readings and capitulation signals. We're close, but not quite at those rock-bottom metrics yet. If you're looking to navigate these choppy waters with precision, I've got something for you. Sign up for the AI Signal, our free daily trading signals newsletter. It delivers exact entry points, RSI levels, and key support zones straight to your inbox, helping you make data-driven decisions in real time. The link is in the description below. Remember, this isn't about gambling. It's about understanding the numbers and acting accordingly. What do you think? Are we at the bottom, or is more fear on the horizon? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.